Morning everybody. Today's video is very exciting. It's an unboxing. Now I haven't done an unboxing before, and this is beautiful British made leather goods from the Leather Satchel Company. They're the oldest surviving satchel maker in the United Kingdom. I recently took part in a photography competition. A friend of mine in the United States actually told me about it, so I thought I would do it, and I won, which is awesome. Thank you for anyone of you watching who voted for me. That was amazing. So what I won was a surprise gift bag. I have no idea what is in here, so we can all share this moment together. I am gonna need a knife. And now we're gonna open. Done. Looking good so far. If you enjoy nice packaging, I believe this might be one for you. So let's get rid of the basic box on the outside. So as you can see, a nice leather handle there, which says the name of the company on it, the Leather Satchel Company. Very, very nice. Open it up. That's very sweet. So that's from Keith, who's the managing director of the company. So we have something like care there. Leather Satchel, I don't know what that is. They've got a private club. Maybe it's like the Masons. Maybe you've got to do a secret handshake. They've got the craft as well, which is obviously about how they make all their stuff, and the history of this company. That's a great photograph. Also in here is the essential journal. And it's Keith himself, I believe. Yeah, a lovely article there about the Leather Satchel Company. I will read that later. I do have a question for you though, depending on where you are in the world. What do you call these? I think the Americans call them peanuts or something. I don't know. So as you can see, they've been very, very generous. They've given me 10 different things, which is amazing. I am not entirely sure. I can guess at what some of these things are, like I'm sure you can, but let's just find out. Let's start with a triangle. I like the shape. Why not? You know, the actual packaging, like I say, is gorgeous. Everything is beautifully packed. You know, shows the attention to detail is what we all look for in handmade goods. So. And like I say, I'm not being sponsored by the guys, I just really like it. Look at that, it's beautiful. Cool. There are my initials. That is beautifully done. That looks amazing. And I'm not gonna lie to you, I have no idea what this is. It opens up beautifully. I mean, you can see the qualities. Gorgeous. It looks cool. So thank you very much. If anybody knows what this is for, please do let me know. Let's go for this one now. Once again, I have no idea what this is. So I love the details of this stuff. This one. Now that is gorgeous, and I do know what that is. That is a luggage tag. So ladies and gentlemen, I finally know what something is. You can see the quality in their stuff is absolutely second to none. Wow. I know what this one is as well. This is the keyring. I believe that everyone who took part in the competition got one of these. Very, very well made. That will be going on my keys very, very shortly. This, I believe, is for the readers out there. For those of you who were born in the last 20 years, there is something called books, and books are made out of paper and have pages, and you would put that in there to mark your place. How nice is that? Anybody steals it, I'll find you. I'll find you. Let's do this. Let's be fair, 2020 has not been great, so any Christmas that comes early this year is great. This is a passport holder. My job as a professional musician means I travel all over the world, so something like this is going to be awesome. When the world opens again in 2031, that's my prediction, you heard it here first. Now I'm frightened to open another triangle because I don't know what they are, and I'm embarrassing myself enough, so let's go for this one. Let's go for this one. Now I imagine this one is a credit card holder. That is my guess. And a space there for some money, and it is tiny. This is gorgeous, and because I'm an out of work musician, that is perfect for the amount of money that I have at the moment. So that's fantastic. Thinking ahead, thinking ahead. I'm gonna do it. It's another triangle. I was excited by the first triangle, but I don't know what this is, so let's find out. I now have a bigger version of the smaller triangle, and I still don't know what it is. Answers below. Let me know what it is. Okay. Please do go on the website and help me figure out what some of these things are. Okay, we're into the last one. And before I open this, I do want to say thank you so much to those of you that voted for me once again in the photograph competition. Please follow me on Instagram. You'll see a lot more stuff on there. Hopefully going to be able to work with this company in the future. They do make great stuff. I'm not saying that because anyone's paying me, because nobody's paying me. I just really appreciate well-made stuff, especially handmade. It's British made as well. If you get the chance, do go down to see their store in Liverpool. It's on the docks and it's a beautiful store, and their customer service is exceptional. Let's have a look. Awesome. As a musician, I do take a lot of notes and I do write a lot of ideas down, so this is perfect for that. So thank you so much. Thank you everybody at the Leather Satchel Company. You've gone above and beyond what I would have expected. Go on their website if you like stuff like this. They obviously do satchels and backpacks and tote bags and all the other things which you would love. They make great gifts. They're handmade, British made, family owned business. Do go and support family owned businesses as much as possible, especially this year because everybody has been struggling. And on that note, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, do all the good stuff if you can. If not, that's fine. That's awesome. It just means you're a terrible human being. I'm joking. But have a great day. Look after yourself. See you next time.